So doon sa, kasi hindi rin natin ito napuna nung mga panahon ng iba pang mga administration o iba pang vice president. Kaya tinitignan natin na ah, syempre itong mandato ng vice president ay just, excuse me for the term, spare tire ng presidente just in case na may mangyari. So yun naman talaga yung pinakamandato nito. Okay? At
Mr. Speaker, Your Honor, if I may interject,
Ay-
on the statement that the Vice President is just a spare tire, may I reiterate and may I emphasize, Mr. Speaker, that the Vice President is the second highest office in the land, and coming from the Executive Department, the OVP is also mandated to promote the welfare of every Filipino. And traditionally, the Office of the Vice President has been providing socio-economic services under the past several administrations. And the office
Yeah.
believes that no single agency has monopoly to provide public service. Mr. Speaker, Your Honor.